Good morning, teachers, parents, and students, and welcome to week 3 in term 4. We hope everyone had a restful, long weekend and feels refreshed for the week ahead. Term 4 is the term of assessment, data collection, and celebration. Starting from Monday 10th until Friday 14th, Grade 6 students will sit for the MAP test. Grade 3 will sit for the same test as a trial on Friday 14th of April. The elementary school will be hosting an assembly to celebrate the Earth Day. PYPA and PYPB will be able to join the assembly on Friday 14th in Ciputra Hall at 9:30 a.m. In the high school, grade 9 students will have school examinations from the 11th until the 14th of April. We wish them all the best of luck. On a brighter side, the high school students will be hosting an entrepreneurship activity named the Big Sell at BBC from the 11th until the 12th of April, which will be run on both days from 12:25 until 1 o'clock. It is a short activity, but it is a lot of fun. I will leave you with a pearl of wisdom from Arumi. Raise your words, not your voice. It is rain that grows flowers, not thunder. I wish everyone a great week ahead.